Okay, so today we're going to show you how to hunt rabbits in 10 or more places all at once, all at the same time, using a rabbit snare. And this is basically just a coil of brass wire that you get at your hardware store or anywhere that sells picture framing supplies, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, such like that. One coil is enough to do 8 to 10 snares, and the coil will cost you $3 to $5 and will last you a long, it's more than one time use. You can use it over and over. So you take these snares and you find where your rabbits are running, and you set up 10 snares, and now you're passively hunting in 10 or more different places all at once. So how do we make the snare? That's the question. Okay, so you take our brass wire, straighten it out a little bit, and we try to do this so that you can see it. The snow keeps, it just sunk into the snow about a foot. All right, anyway, so we're going to cross our brass wire over the end over there, and we want this to be tight. So we're going to make 2 loops around, both of them tight, so you can see how that is. And then a couple loops around this way, forming a loop. Okay, you can see that. So the reason why we do this is so that it's stiff and it'll stay in position. If it's loose, it'll just want to open back up, and that prolongs the process for the rabbit. You know, it's already not a good day, so let's not make it worse. And then when you're setting it in the woods, you're going to open it up about 4 inches or so, maybe a little bit more, 4 to 6 inches. And by the way, this snare will work on every rabbit except for the western jackalope, so don't try it on that. They'll tear these up like nothing. Anyway, you're going to make a loop like that, and then there'll be a bit more, and you'll attach this into a tree, and I'll show you how that process looks here in just a second. But that's basically it. Okay, so now let's look at the snare in action. So in the winter time, it's really easy to see where they run. They chew up branches, they leave droppings everywhere. But in the summertime, they're a little bit more difficult to find, and so you just have to be a little more creative. You can still find the droppings, but sometimes you have to make your trails. And this is the basic setup. If you can see that, I've flipped the camera around. You're basically attaching it to a small tree that's not going to move, and then you create a funnel for the rabbit to go into, and leave it overnight, come back in the morning. You know, with any luck, you'll have anywhere from 0 to 10 rabbits, depending on the population. But typically you'll get 2 or 3, and that's enough to keep you fed for a few days. So there you go.